Welcome back. This is lesson 5 in this section of the training, self-formatting options. Still on the training, how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at text alignment, how you can align your text. And to align your text, you either align it horizontally or vertically. To access this feature, you go to your Home tab under the Alignment section and this area of the Alignment section. So we have the vertical alignment, which is above, and the horizontal alignment, which is the one below. Then you can increase your indent, decrease, increase it, and change your text orientation. So we'll just be illustrating it with an example so that you have a better understanding of it. I've selected the cell C11, with the content address in it. And looking at our vertical alignment, it's already bottom aligned, right? But the horizontal alignment has not been applied. So we'll just go through it. I'll select and you see the effect. Watch the text as I select it. I select this top, you see it goes up, it's aligned to the top. When I select the middle, it aligns to the middle. And when I select the bottom, it aligns to the bottom. This is the vertical. For the horizontal, to watch the effect, I select left, it aligns to the left. I select center, it aligns to the center. I select right and it aligns to the right. So I will just bring it out. For me, I'll prefer it to be center and bottom. So you see this one changes it, either you want it on the top, middle, or bottom, while this is left, right, and center. So the vertical is top, middle, bottom, while the horizontal is left, right, and center. Right. So let's explore this increase and decreasing of dent. I have this cell. Let me select this cell A5, which says lesson 5 text alignment. I want to increase it, increase the indent. So I'll select the cell is already selected, go to Home tab, under the alignment section, here is decrease, but I want to increase. Watch and see what happens. When I select, you see the effect. Are you seeing the effect? That's how to increase your alignment. You can also decrease it if you want to decrease it, take it back, or increase it, bring it forward. That's how you increase or decrease your alignment. And the third is your text orientation. This option here helps you to change the orientation of your text. I'll select this cell A7 as I've selected, and I'll change the orientation of this text. I'll be using the different orientation so that you see the effect on it. We have the angle counterclockwise. When you select it, you see it goes this way. I'll use the other options, angle clockwise. You can see the effect. Vertical text, you can see how it is, vertical. Rotate text up, you see, rotating it up. So you can just explore, rotate text down, you rotate it down. So that's just what we have here. You can format, you can use this to access more options, the cell alignment option, you can access more. But for now, we'll just work on the basics that are available here. So you can see that different text orientation, different based on your preference. So when you explore each of them, the one that you prefer, you select that. So I'll just take it back to the normal format it was before I applied this text orientation. So I'll just check this one and it will take it back to the normal form. Right, so that's it about text alignment. You can align your text horizontally, vertically. You can increase or decrease your the indent of your cell, and you can change this text orientation. Right, so that brings us to the end of this lesson, and see you in the next lesson.